right, let's make some birch trees in a winter scene. I'm going to start with using tape. I'm going to measure out tape that's going to come all the way off the edge on one end, but it's going to be up a little higher on the bottom. Then I'm going to use my scissors and I'm going to cut out some trees. Just like that. And they're pretty straight, but if it's a little bit wider, then put that wider edge on the bottom. And make sure you have a little space down there. You can always tuck up underneath like this. And do the same with this. You can do another size altogether. Make it even narrower. Like that. Maybe I'll have this one a little further back. And then I have a thicker one. It's a little too thick, so I'm going to trim that one down some more. Yeah, maybe I'll do that about like that. Just figuring out where it all goes. How about right? Little different heights. So different spaces, different heights. Maybe this one can lean a little bit more and maybe be up a little higher like this. That'll look more natural if we do that. And then I'm going to put in my horizon line. And I'm going to put in a little bit of a mountain back there. Just like that. I'm going to be using my round number 10 brush, and I'm mixing a little blue and purple. A little bit of red in there, more red in there. So blue and red, make yourself some purple color. I'm going to get my mountain in the back, somewhat of a little bit of a purple color. And press down on your tape too. I didn't do a good job of pressing down. Now snow is white, so be careful. This is all snow in here. I'm gonna maybe put some lines in there like that, just to give you the feeling that it's snowy back there. And then when you take off the tape, you'll actually have a feeling of change there. So we need to let this dry.